Heidi ho, campers. Welcome back to another episode of taste testing. Today, we've got some Cheetos. Not just any Cheetos, but mac and cheese Cheetos. Or Cheetos mac and cheese, I guess, more properly. Yum. We have a bold and cheesy flavor. And we've got a Flamin' hot flavor. They had another flavor at the store, I think. I can't remember. It was scorching hot or something. Which I've never really had my tongue burned out by Cheetos, but why take a chance, right? My tongue's a little funky today anyway. But I thought I'd try these. You fill them, you take out the packet, the flavoring packet, and the flavoring packet looks and smells like a bag of Cheetos. You know when you eat Cheetos and you get the powder on your fingers when you're done and it's all yucky and nasty? That's what the powder looks like. The flavoring, that's probably what it is. And then you add water and microwave for 3 minutes. Add the seasoning. And the pain in the butt part, you stir for 2 to 3 minutes for maximum creaminess. I'm thinking, which is difficult and hurts sometimes, but my thinking is you can add boiling water probably, because I'm assuming these are like par cooked noodles, if you're camping or something. And then stir for 3 minutes and let it sit and absorb and get all cheesy. So this is an experiment for camping food for me. It's cheesy. The noodles are on the smallish side, but it's not as nasty as I thought the cheese would be. No, Baja, this is not for you. This is for me. It's not bad. That's the bold and cheesy. And now we move on to the Flamin' hot Cheetos. And it's neon orange, neon red, as you can see. Wow, that's hot. Spicy. I think that's spicier than the Cheetos. It's going to clear my sinuses, in fact. So the flaming hot or scorching hot, excuse me. It's even, the heat's giving me the hiccups. Now I want to, is it a Cheetos taco? No, what's the Taco Bell taco with the Doritos? That's what I was thinking of. I haven't had the Doritos that burn my mouth. Apparently, maybe Chester's Cheetos Flamin' hot might scorch my tongue a little. So it's very similar to this, except very spicy. If you like spicy and can handle spicy, or you like spicy Cheetos, you might like it. It's okay. You see, I'm not running to douse my tongue in milk or ice cream or anything. I have a high tolerance for heat. but I want to taste the flavor and not just hot. So these are extra cheesy and not bad. These are flaming hot, and they're okay. It hasn't opened my sinuses yet like I thought it would. By the time I finish the whole thing, if I could finish it, I probably would. I'm about filled up between the two of them already. But yeah, they're not as nasty as I thought they'd be. They're edible, and yeah, might be worth trying on a camping trip one day, or have kids or something they'd probably love stirring for 2 or 3 minutes. Right, Baja? That's right. Anyway, that's what we've got to today. Today? For today? I don't know. The neon colors are affecting my brain now. Anyway, not bad. It's a thumbs up-ish. A thumbs up for this one. This one, yeah. It's not bad, just not my thing. So, you might like it. You may not. I don't know. Your mileage may vary. Everyone has different taste buds. That's why there's more than one flavor on the grocery shelf. Unless we can't get supplies from China anymore and those ships off Long Beach don't get unloaded, then we'll be down to one flavor probably. Anyway, that's enough of that. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!